it.
Dude, what is with all these pictures on Facebook?
I don't know. But look at that person's status.
Next, buddies. Yeah. Oh, can you send me an email?
Sure.
Free iPad!
Oh my god, we need that.
So bad. Okay, what do they need?
Okay, they need your credit card information and social security number. Go put it in.
I don't know if you want to do this more often.
I don't know.